Connecting Zoom to ChatGPT allows you to access your Zoom meeting data, manage recordings, and assist with meeting-related tasks directly through ChatGPT. This integration is done through the Apps or Plugins section. This tutorial outlines the steps. What the process does: the Zoom plugin allows ChatGPT to read and interact with your Zoom account data. Depending on the connector permissions, ChatGPT may be able to summarize meeting recordings, assist with scheduling, track meeting history, or help with meeting preparation. The integration requires a Zoom account and authorization. Steps to connect Zoom to ChatGPT. First, log in to your ChatGPT account. On the left side of the screen, look for the option labeled Plugins or Apps. Click it to open the available integrations. In the search box at the top, type Zoom. Select Zoom from the search results. Click the Install button to begin the integration. A prompt will ask if you want to add Zoom to ChatGPT. Click to continue. You will be asked to sign in with your Zoom account. Click the Sign In button. On the permission page, ensure you are logged into the correct Zoom account. Then scroll to the bottom where you will see other methods of signing in. After authorization, you will see a success message and be redirected back to ChatGPT. Zoom will appear in your installed plugins or apps. To use it, start a new chat. Click the plus button in the chat input area and select Zoom from the available sources.